But then you have a child that you literally tell them not to do something and you're surprised when they do it. So then what you do is you give them the power look. And the power look is not when you look at their eyes, it's when you look at the top of their forehead. And when you look at the top of the forehead, you will sing a song to yourself in your head so your own inner dialogue doesn't kick in. So for example, if I go, thank you for being here, I like the way that you're participating. Thank you for being here, I like the way you're participating. And then all of a sudden I see somebody displaying a behavior that I don't want them to do. Instead of going, good job, I just go, I like the way that you're participating. I like the way that you're participating. Thank you for playing. Thank you for enjoying yourself. And then all of a sudden I see somebody displaying a behavior that I don't want them to continue. And I just go, good job. See, the difference is when you're looking at the top of the forehead, you're not connecting with their eyes. And as long as you don't drop down to their eyes, your face goes emotionless and blank. So because the kids want attention from you, and they want your faces to do all the stuff that you normally do, like your sad face, your upset look, your disappointed look, all that stuff that you think is doing something, and all you're doing is you're becoming the Kevin Hart, you're becoming the Melissa McCarthy, you're becoming the Tiffany Haddish, you're becoming the Jim Carrey, you're becoming that person that they can just manipulate, and then you're surprised, Miss Susie's doing a sad face. I'm like, I know, that's why I'm doing this, because I want you to sad face. Because when you do the anger face, that vein in your head starts going, and that's a lot of fun. Make sense? Okay.